This is a platform where a lot of agencies, a lot of companies come to hire people who are very good at what they do. So if you're a freelancer and you want to be making money from the comfort of your home, this is a platform where you should be. Now, this is not just an ordinary platform. This is a platform that is trusted by Microsoft, by Airbnb, and by Bissell and other companies. You can join this platform with no cost at all. All you need to do is to register and browse for professionals, explore projects, or even book a consultation. That's how powerful this platform is. And apart from that, if you are somebody that you own an agency and you want to hire people, you can actually post a job here and hire top talent. You can work with the best without breaking the bank, which means that Upwork makes it affordable to up your work and take advantage of low transaction rates. But we're not just talking about being an agency, we're talking about how you can make money from this platform as a freelancer. So whether you're a graphic designer, whether you're a landing page builder, whether you're a web designer, whether you know how to write, or maybe you know how to create music, or you know how to edit picture, this is a platform that you can actually make a lot of money from. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you 5 easy jobs you can do on Upwork even if you are a beginner. My name is Awajimam Isuto, and on this channel I teach you how to do stuff online. I teach you things that can help you make money for yourself and grow your business. So if this is your first time of coming onto my channel, I am very glad to have you. I'm so excited to have you, and I'm saying welcome to my channel. I'll go into the video shortly and show you everything I need to show you, but before I do that, please kindly do me a favor by liking this video and subscribing to this video, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that when I put out another video, you will always be notified. Now, the first one on my list is data entry. Data entry is a very easy job that you can do if you are a beginner on Upwork. All right, so quickly, let me just go to the search area and show you what it looks like. All right, now for data entry, I'll just search here data entry. Okay, data entry is just you typing stuffs, okay, typing information into a space, okay, just to make sure that you type an information. You will be given an information to type in. You have to fill up information. Sometimes it might be filling up a form, it might be transcribing. Okay, let's just look at what data entry jobs look like here. So I'll click on this and just wait for it to load. Okay, now look at this. This is Muhammad Munib from Pakistan. You can see he's a data entry specialist. He's making $4.8 an hour. Are you seeing this now? $4.8 an hour. And you can see from what he has earned $90,000 plus. Okay, so what he does is he's into data entry, he's into data mining, he's into Microsoft Excel, he's into transaction data entry, data cleaning, and all of that. You can see, if you want to view his profile, you can view his profile. Now you can see this other person also making money from data entry from India, Sanjay P from India. Now if you scroll down, you're going to see a lot of people doing this data entry. Very easy job to do. All right, very easy job to start with as a beginner. Okay, but the important thing here is you don't just jump to the platform and just go and start filling up things and saying you want to be a data entry person. You have to understand how this platform works. Okay, I'm going to talk about that in probably my next video. Okay, but this is number one is data entry. Now the second one, which is number 2, is graphic design. All right, if you're a graphic designer, you can actually come here and make a lot of money for yourself. Very easy. You can be doing flyers for people. You can actually design editable templates for people. There's so much you can do on this platform as a graphic designer. Now you can see this person is Danish S Pakistan. He's from Pakistan. He's an experienced designer. He charges $15 per hour, and so far he has earned what, 20,000 plus dollars on the platform. Can you see? He's good at Adobe illustration. He's a business card designer. He's a flyer designer. He's a graphic designer. He's a logo designer, and he's doing 10 more things. Can you see that? Now, if you're a graphic designer, you can design business cards. You can actually make money from designing business cards. You can make money here by designing flyers. You can make money here by designing logos for people, and this doesn't take you up to 24 hours if you know what you are doing. Now look at others below. You can see, look at other people below. You can see the pictures that she has uploaded. Can you see? These are different people. Now you can actually check by location. Now let's check for Nigeria. I'm making this video currently from Nigeria, so if you're in Nigeria now watching this now, this is a plus for you. If you're from Africa watching this now, this is also a plus for you. If you're outside Nigeria watching this now, this is also a plus for you. Okay, so go to the comment section. Tell me where you're watching this from. All right, just type it into the comment section. Let's say we want to look this by our location. All right, we search for this, and it's going to bring up all of the people who are graphic designers within this location. Can you see? Let's wait. Let me wait. Okay, now can you see this? Now this is Babatunde. You can see Babatunde is also what, a graphic designer. All right, okay, these are different jobs. All right, these are different jobs. Let me just research again. Graphic design Nigeria. Okay, graphic design Nigeria. Let's do it this way. Graphic design Nigeria. Okay, now you can see this person. This is Daniel M from Nigeria. Book formatting and layout, design of covers, design of whatever he designs, digital design, layout design, typesetting, book cover art design, and many more. You can see this person is from Nigeria. You can see this other one is from Nigeria. You can see another person, logo designer and graphic design. This is Ifedi. This is a Nigerian charging $15 per hour. Are you seeing? So if you're good at design, you can come into this place, sign up, and start making money for yourself. Don't be lazy about this. Okay, now that is number 2. I'm going to tell you number 3 now. Number 3 is creative writing. Creative writing is a very, very lucrative job. So if you have a knack for writing, or you know how to write content that can make people to want to buy stuff, you can actually come to this place, sign up, and start making money for yourself as a content creator, as a creative writer. All right, so let's quickly search to see what that skill looks like. Creative writing. Let's see people who are actually doing this. Creative writing. Okay, creative writing. All right, you can see this person. This person is Michael L from the United States. He's a copywriter. Okay, copywriting is actually convincing people in print. This person earns $75 per hour. Can you see this now? He has earned $200,000 plus from this platform. What he does is creative writing. He does creative direction. He does UX writing. He does comedy. He does creative strategy. All of this under content creation as a writer. All right, so this is another person. Can you see this one? This is another person. This is another one. Matthew P from the United Kingdom. You can see he charges what, $130 per hour. So if you know how to write, whether it is screenwriting you can do, whether it is script writing, whether it is copywriting, you can actually come to this platform, sign up, and start putting yourself out there, start making money for yourself. That is number 3. Now before I go to number 4, If you are getting value from this video, if you're already loving this video, if you're learning something from this video, kindly do me a favor by liking this video. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to this video so that YouTube knows that we are doing something. That shows also that you are in support of what I am doing. If it's a way to encourage me. So quickly do this for me, all right? Like this video, subscribe to this video, and make sure you turn on the notification bell. All right, so let's go to number 4. Now number 4 is website and app testing jobs. This is a job that involves you testing websites, testing how apps works. Okay, for instance, now I can create a website and I'll need people to help me to test the website, or maybe I create an app that is going to help people solve their business problem, and I need people to actually help me test the app. All I need to do is to go to Upwork and hire some people. All right, so from your end as a freelancer, if you're a freelancer, you can actually make money by testing apps or testing websites. Okay, that is a very beautiful way for you to make money, and it doesn't take much effort, it doesn't take much of your time. All you need to do is to find a gig. Okay, find an opening, apply to it. If you're selected, if you're chosen, if you're hired, then you can actually do this job and get paid for yourself. All right, now I'm going to talk about my number 5. But before I do that, if you have questions for me, if you're enjoying this video and you feel like there are things you really want to learn about what I've been saying, or maybe you want to learn how the platform works, all right, go to the comment section and drop a comment. If you want me to make another video, okay, you want me to make another video as regards these things I'm talking about, as regards making money on Upwork, go to the comment section and drop a comment. All right, and I'm going to also drop a link to other resources. Okay, if you really want to learn how this works, you want to learn how you can be making money as a freelancer, just go to the link in the description. I'm going to drop a link in the description that will take you to where you're going to learn more about how you can make money from Upwork, how you can make money as a freelancer. All right, so now to my number 5. Now number 5 is proofreading and editing. If you're good with actually editing content, you can actually make a lot of money from this platform by editing and proofreading content that have been created by other persons. Now let's quickly look at the search area to see if there are available jobs for people who can edit, for people who can proofread. All right, we come to the search area and then we type we're going to type editing. Let's write, okay, let me say editing and proofreading. All right, editing and proofreading. I'm sure there should be jobs. Okay, now look at these people. Now you can see this person, Navid, from Pakistan. He's an academic writer, he's an expert in research paper and other things. You can see he earns $10 per hour from editing content. Can you see? So far he has earned $50,000 plus. All right, from proofreading, from academic editing, from academic proofreading, from research papers. These people are making a lot of money. You too can make money. All right, the beautiful thing is this doesn't have to take all of your 24 hours. This doesn't take up to 24 hours. You can do a job for 1 hour, you can do a job for 2 hours, and you are done and you're making your money. Look at this other person from United Kingdom, Daniel W. is making what, $55 per hour from proofreading, from creative writing, from landing page. Are you seeing now? So irrespective of whatever skill you have, you can come to this platform, sign up on this platform, and start making money for yourself. All you need to do is to understand how the platform works, and you need to be good at what you're doing. All right, these are 5 jobs you can do as a beginner and start earning on Upwork. If you got value from this video, make sure you tap the like button, make sure you tap the subscribe button, and don't forget to tap the notification bell. If you have questions for me, drop it in the comment section, and don't forget to check the link in the description. I'm going to drop a link to where you can gain access to how you can start making money as a freelancer on Upwork. Thank you very much for sticking around to the end of this video. I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.